Jira Cloud's audit history has one gap that can hurt audit readiness: auditing deleted issues. As robust as it is, issue deletion is one critical event that's simply not captured in Jira's audit log. But the good news is this gap can be fixed with an affordable third-party app called Issue History for Jira. Let's take a look. This is the app's listing in the Atlassian Marketplace. To find it, you can search for Issue History for Jira, and it is made by SaaSjet. At the time of this recording, you can see this app is free for up to 10 users, and it is fairly affordable for tiers above that. Okay, once you've installed Issue History for Jira, you can access its configurations by selecting the app from your apps menu in Jira Cloud. And this app has two very powerful features that will improve your auditing. The primary feature is this checkbox that says keep deleted issues. And as an administrator, as soon as you install this app, you want to come in here and enable this feature. This is disabled by default, but as soon as you enable this feature, this app is going to start recording the deletion of issues across your entire Jira site. You do not need to enable this for each individual project. This is a site-wide configuration that can be turned on by administrators. And once you have this enabled, you can then select to view deleted issues in the app's history. And this is going to capture the deletion date, the person that deleted it, the key summary, and other important details about every issue that has been deleted in your site. The other nice feature that this app provides is the ability to create a consolidated report of changes made to your issues across a project or across your site. So for example, I can select a specific project and I can select to view all of the changes that happened to this project in the prior week, for example. And this is a view of history that Jira does not provide natively. All of these changes on the screen here could be found by drilling into the individual issues and going to their history tab like this. But you can see Issue History for Jira is giving us a consolidated view of all changes made to all issues within that time frame. There are, however, two limitations with this app that it's important to be aware of. The first limitation is that if you go to the deleted issues feature, you can see the app does provide the ability to restore issues. This restoration is not a true restoration. For example, if I try to restore MHP7, MHP7 will not actually be restored. What this app will do is create a new Jira issue with a new key and attempt to restore as much data as it can. But that new Jira issue will have a new ID, number one, and number two, it will not have exactly all the information that the old issue has. So from a true compliance perspective, I don't think this restore feature works to truly restore issues. It does, however, provide a convenient shortcut to start to rebuild something that maybe was accidentally deleted. The other important limitation that is just inherent to the architecture of Jira is that this app is not able to track all changes to all data made inside other third-party apps. So as a great example, I have a bunch of test executions from the X-Ray app, and Issue History for Jira simply doesn't have visibility into all of the data maintained by X-Ray, and therefore it certainly cannot track changes to that. And that's no fault of this app, that's just a byproduct of Jira's architecture. And that's it. That was just a brief demo of Issue History for Jira, which is a great app for augmenting Jira's native audit logging. Its key feature is tracking deleted issues, which closes a major Part 11 compliance gap in Jira's native audit logging, but it also provides those robust consolidated audit reports. That's all for now. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to learn more, go to www.agile-innovations.tech. Thanks for watching.